Do the floss walk. Floss walk. There you go. And then do the fancy walk.
No.
Go ahead. It's a trio. It's the combinations.
Okay.
What it is, people. Today we are at the old port of Montreal, but we're not only going to the old port, we are going to the
Museum.
which museum?
I don't know.
The Edward Museum. No? The museum where they can show all Edwards, all the other Edwards that used to live. That one.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, no, that's
And
it.
there's a big movie.
It's gonna be. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, so we are at the.
Edward Museum.
No, we're at the Science Center of the Old Port, the Science Center, and we're gonna go check that out. We went to the one in Ottawa, and if you didn't see the video, check it out. And after we are going to see a
Movie.
movie at the IMAX. And what's special about this movie? It's in
3D.
in 3D, so that's gonna be
We have
interesting.
glasses on.
Yeah, we got to put on some glasses. I'm thinking that's still how it works. It's been
That's
a while.
cool.
It's been a while since I've seen a 3D movie, but that's what it is. Yeah, a 3D movie after about bears. They said there's something about bears, so science educational today.
The
Cool.
Ferris wheel.
Yeah. We got the big wheel in front of us. We got a nice little parking.
Is there people on it?
Well, we're gonna get some drone shots for
Is
sure
there
from
people
here.
on it?
Yeah, for sure, there's people on it. We are going to do it. So here we
Go.
go.
What it is, people were in the movie and we just started. There's just a commercial, so now we're just waiting and we got our glasses.
Yeah, 3D glasses. We got them.
Yeah, and soon we're gonna start the movie, and we just wanted
To
to
give
tell
an
you.
update. Yeah.
To tell you.
To give a little update. They're very good, Eddie. Very well said. So we're gonna watch the movie. It's about bears.
And we're ghosts.
Yeah, I know. We're getting lit.
Yeah.
Lit with the phone. This
Our
is
glasses.
Epic Adventures Videography Techniques 101. Use your phone as a spotlight.
Lights.
There you go. You see, once it's lit, we're all good. All right, so let's we're gonna go to the movies. See ya.
Bye.
All right. What?
We're not recording.
Yeah, it is recording.
Oh.
I press this little button over here, and it starts the recorder, so we can be far from it, and we can control what it is. We got through another adventure at the Science
Museum.
Science Center, I think maybe they call it, or whatever. Science Museum, pretty cool.
We just finished.
What, you gotta come talk.
We finished the movie.
Oh yeah. So then we did the Science Center. How'd you think that was? That was like a Guinness Book of World Records theme, like world records, trying to do different like challenges. He said side. Which one was better, the Montreal Science Center or the Ottawa?
Ottawa.
Yeah, Ottawa was cooler. Ottawa was cool. And and then after we did all that, we went to see an IMAX 3D movie about
Bears.
bears. Yeah, about a bear, about the spirit bear.
And when we just started the movie, we thought it was sea lions.
Yeah, because they were showing the sea lions like a preview, and I thought that we were in the wrong theater, but we weren't. We were in the bear one. And what did you think about the 3D experience?
Side.
It's side. How come?
Because the glasses were annoying, and it didn't talk much about the white bear.
So that's it. So now we're at Old Port, and now over here I have.
Already at Old Port.
Yeah, or Old Port, but I'm talking about like we're gonna get some cool. I'm gonna get some cool drone shots. I know I like the drone shots.
And also we're gonna get some pizza.
Yeah, we're gonna get some pizza. We're gonna get something to eat, and we're gonna stay around because we paid $35 for parking, which is insane. Because $35 was almost as much as both of our tickets to the science fair.
And also just for one time.
Yeah, just for the day. So that's it. So we're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna stick around. Like, it's a bit cloudy, but it's not raining. And
Daddy almost flew his drone in the water.
Yeah. It dropped pretty quick. It wasn't responding. It wasn't responding to my commands. But then after, it just dropped. But we gotta be careful. With this drone because I don't want to buy another one.
And also, I found this rock.
You found this rock? Oh, that's probably asphalt. So that's why it's not really that special. It's just part of the asphalt, so it's not even a rock, dude. All right.
Asphalt. It's hard.
So okay, so we're gonna.
Can you break it?
Yes, I could.
Break it.
Hold this. Hold it.
Wow.
Just like that. So we're gonna end the one for the Science Center right now. So you click subscribe.
Click subscribe takes a little bit.
Click subscribe, take the little bell. 10 likes. We're going for 10 likes, and that's it. So from Eddie Greg 2 and Eddie Greg 1 to the next one.
Peace.
Peace.